Which one is known as a silent killer? Which one of the following is known as a silent killer? Let us see the matter. Which one is silent killer? First of all, this one, ammonia. Ammonia, nitrogen of ammonia carries one pair of electrons. This nitrogen donates this one pair of electrons to proton, and as a result, this is formed ammonium ion, and this is coordinate covalent bond. Positive charge shifts on nitrogen atom. So here ammonia acts as electron pair donor. So this is Lewis base. Ammonia is a kind of Lewis base. Number B, sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide reacting with water forms sulfurous acid. So sulfur dioxide is acidic oxide. Then C, potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate is a kind of salt. Salt of strong base sodium hydroxide and strong acid permanganic acid. This is permanganic acid. So potassium permanganate is a kind of salt. Now last one, carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide, when inhaled, carbon monoxide combines with hemoglobin, that is RBC. RBC contains hemoglobin. Carbon monoxide combines with hemoglobin to form carboxyhemoglobin. Carbon monoxide combining with hemoglobin forms carboxyhemoglobin. Then hemoglobin loses its oxygen carrier characteristic. Then hemoglobin cannot carry oxygen, as carbon dioxide transforms hemoglobin to carboxyhemoglobin. That is why carbon monoxide is known as silent killer. Why silent? Because this is colorless gas and it has no smell. That is why presence of carbon monoxide cannot be detected. Because of this, carbon monoxide is called silent killer. Thank you for watching.